All right, here we go. We're gonna start at the bar. He's done an amazing job with his space here. Okay, and he's put in really nice appliances here in the bar. He has right here an ice maker. Actually, it's a really nice one, KitchenAid. And then he's got a wine fridge here. And if we step over here, we have another wine fridge right here also. Okay, and he's even put in a small dishwasher right here too. So, a very nice selection of Medellin. We've got Medellin represented also. Okay, so but he's done a really beautiful job in this space here. I remember this space before. It was kind of an unused space. But let's go check out the view. Okay, he's got beautiful views here of Las Palmas, as you can see. Okay, and beautiful city views. And he's created a really nice outside space here. It's gone with a bit of a dark theme for the apartment. And he's actually done drop downs in the ceiling here. And he's got air conditioning in the whole apartment. Every single room has air conditioning in this apartment. Up here, you get a really nice breeze at night. So I don't know if you actually need it, but again, a lot of people request it now. So, okay. So let's take another look at the living room here. Okay. And it's got, as you can see, a dining room space and also a chef's kitchen right here. Again, sorry if it's a little dark, but that's kind of oh well, that might help. It's the only lights we didn't turn on, so yes, really nice. And again, imagine he's got the dishwasher here, okay, but imagine hand washing dishes with this view. Insane view from the kitchen counter here. Okay, and he's put in, I believe this is a microwave. Yep, and a convection oven at the top and a convection oven here in the bottom. Okay, so no problem doing your American Thanksgiving turkeys. And over here, it's got the fridges built in. Right here. Okay, and then down below, freezers. And what I really like, what he's done here, this renovation was just finished about a week ago. Still a couple things to work out, but he's actually put in what's going to be right here a coffee bar. And I believe he's got the plumbing and everything to put in a coffee machine here. Okay, and then back here, full laundry area. And he's got a space here for all the cleaning supplies, as you can see. Okay. And just over here, he's put in a really nice system for, I guess, for people who want to do stock trading or gaming or whatever. He's got a computer desk there. Okay, so if you're doing trading or whatever, this is a great apartment for that. Again, he's looking for a 1 to 2 year lease on this apartment. If you're interested in this apartment, contact us at expatcrib.com/contact, and we will share all the information with you and the price. Price is by request on this apartment. Okay. And again, his intention is to do a 1 to 2 year lease. But if you really like it, he's open to possibly selling it too. Okay. Super well located in Provenza. Really nice tub here, actually. And then over here, okay, his and her sinks. And he's actually put in here a steam shower. Okay, with the shower built right into the ceiling here. Done a masterful job of this renovation. So let's take a look. He's got a seating area here. Again, we can check out the views. These are the views towards Envigado and Sabaneta. And just over that way there is Mall Tesoro. So you can see you're just down the hill here in Provenza. Okay. And with that area there, nothing can be built because they have townhomes down there. So you're not going to lose your views. And at the time this was built, it was given one of the highest floor to the ground. It was 30, I believe it's 34 floors, and I don't think they're zoning for buildings now over 30 floors. But if someone can correct me in the comments and knows the current POT for the city, I believe everything is 30 floors or under. So, all right, so this is the principal bedroom. Okay, and let's take a look here. It's actually 3 bedrooms. Okay, and all of them come outfitted with TVs built in. Okay, and then we've got a small walk-in closet. And they all have ensuite washrooms, complete with rain showers. I believe it's 180 to 188 square meters. I'll have to check. An ample space, and again, brand new renovation. Again, as you can see over there, aircon in each room, including the living room. Okay, and this would be the small master bedroom. Again, each one has its own desk space. And every single room has its own ensuite bathroom. Okay, and by the way, really good facilities in this building. They have a really nice pool, gym, recreation room, meeting room, dog walking area. It's got some of the best facilities in the whole city. Okay, let's take another look here at the living room. Get a really nice overview of this apartment. Even right here they have a social bathroom off the front entrance here. Okay. And I believe he said to me, the owner, it's an 83 or 85 inch TV. Take one last look at the bar here. One last look, an overview of the kitchen. And let's get one last look at the view here. This is an amazing entertainment apartment. All right, hope you've enjoyed this newly renovated apartment, which is actually only 8 years old, this building. Yes, this is a 1 to 2 year long-term lease for the right people, and I will put you directly in touch with the owner. Hope you've enjoyed this brief tour. This is Ian from ExpatCrib, and we'll see you in the next video.